How's it going, Sarah? You all done? How you feeling?
Hit the button.
I did. It says recording.
Oh, you're taking a video.
Yeah. Can you say hi to your mom?
Hi.
There was a unicorn and a dog and a koala. No, I lied. It was a panda. And they were at Wendy's. And they were eating pizza.
Pizza at Wendy's?
Yeah. And then Jesus came. It ain't a party without Jesus. And then, yeah. Cool story bro told at parties.
Hi, Sarah. How do you feel?
Can I go dancing?
Dancing? I'm thinking no.
Can we go to Target?
I'm thinking no.
Can we go to Meijer?
We are at Meijer. We're waiting on your prescription right now.
Can
We're at-
we go to Walmart?
Walmart?
Yeah.
Why do you want to go to Walmart?
Because I'd fit in there.
So you can be one of the people at Walmart?
I can make it on the website.
You can what?
Be on the website.
What would you do if we went to Walmart?
Bust a move.
Bust a move? Oh, Sarah.
Hang loose.
I'm videoing this. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not talking
Anything
to
else you would like to tell your viewers?
That I'm not going to talk to my mom ever again.
Why aren't you going to talk to your mom ever again?
Because she didn't keep my teeth and she won't let me dance in the parking lot.
You might get hit by a car.
I won't. They look out for handicaps.
You're a
Sorry.
goof.
I know.
You're a goof, goof, goof.
Am I really any different now than I am usually, though?
No. Toodles.
I kind of want to hold a duck.
A duck? Why?
I don't know. I always want to hold a duck. Stop making fun of me.
Because you like ducks?
Yeah. Stop laughing at me. I'm not laughing at you. You're not laughing with me. You kill me. Music! Wait for it, wait for it.
Wow, Sarah, you should be a singer.
I already am. What are you talking about? I have like 50 Grammys in my room.
Oh, really? I must have missed those.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Alright, toodles.
Peace. Girl, please. Peace out, home, Scotty Biscuits.